So, hello, Culture Buzzers. So, it's Sunday once again, and I'm here at Our Lady of Lourdes Parish Church here in Tagaytay City. Just attended the 10 to 11 Mass. So, susunod pong Mass nito ay 11:30. So, today's Mass celebrated the Solemnity of the Ascension of the Lord. If you wish to come here on a weekend, pag Saturday meron po sila healing mass at 12 to 1. Pag Sabado po yan ay 11 o'clock. Saturday din po ay novena for Our Lady of Lourdes. So I hope you enjoy your Sunday, everyone, wherever you are. So have a blessed Sunday. Bye bye. See you later.